little shallow area. Yep, he's already dropping. We're in 5 feet right now, 3.5 feet, 3 feet. Yep, we're in it. We're in it right here. Yes, sir. And we got some bait jumping over there. Oh, yes, sir. We got some bait jumping all up in this area. All right, guys, here we go. One. Nice little trout. It's a nice little trout squeeze. Looks like a keeper. Damn. Yeah, it's a keeper for sure. Here we go, guys. First Port Mansfield trout right there, baby. On that one knocker. Damn, he got both hooks. And they're the single line hooks, so can't say they don't work. I did miss the other one though. Bam, nice trout, right there, baby. Let's see what he measures. I want to say he's a good 16, 17. Nice fat trout. Oh, thanks. That boy's gonna be 18.5. Holy snap. 18.5, I'll take it. Take it any day, bro. I don't care. I'm getting out because I need to cover this area. And I want to cover it right. Got one, guys. Got one, baby. Let's see, get this bad boy over here. Oh, you're gonna see that. Oh, that's a big trout. Oh, that's a nice trout. No. Oh, yeah. Oh, I barely got him on the lip. Nice trout. Heck yeah. Finally got one. Damn. I knew I had to switch it up, man. I was throwing the top water forever. For a long time. And they wouldn't go at it. So, switched it up to the soft dine. Not the XL, the soft dine. And this dude caught it. He hit that sucker. Man, that took work. A beautiful trout. Right there. Let's see how much he measures. He's for sure over 20. For sure over 20. 20.5. 20.5 inches. Yes, sir. Let's get him. Alright. Finally got this guy out. He's a little soft eye right there. Boom. Green back, white belly. Little glitter on the side. Let's keep at it. Guys, trout number 3, small guy. Oh, I think it's gonna keep it. I think it's gonna be too small. Yeah, he's gonna be like 14, 13. it for today. Just took off from the ramp. Beautiful day, beautiful morning. Had a whole bunch of top water hits. I was using the One Knocker with the single line hooks, with the inline hooks, and I missed a ton of trout, like right next to the kayak. I caught one on top water, a keeper, and then the second one that I caught was on the Paul Brown's Mirrodine, not the XL, the Mirrodine, the small one, man. That was the 20.5 one. I think that's how much it measured. But yeah, 2 good keeper trouts. I mean, that's good for today. I mean, a whole bunch of top water action, man. But yeah, I mean, that's it for today. Hopefully next weekend the weather's good, and I'll probably be hitting Port Mansfield again, or now go to SPI. But I'll try to upload this video here quickly, and thanks a lot for watching, guys. And if y'all can share, like, and subscribe, that'd be awesome. But I'll try to upload more videos. Alright, take it easy, y'all.